right now it's the choices that we have. I mean, the presumptive candidates, or we have Trump and we probably have Hillary. Neither one of those candidates is to my liking at all, and I'm very, very concerned. I'm scared, and one of the reasons I'm scared is I think with Hillary as a candidate, I think the DNC has been very tone deaf. They're not listening to the people, and we may see President Trump, whether I like it or not.
Well, I like the gun safety that Hillary is for. I'm very concerned that Trump is not who we need to be the next president of the United States. I'm very concerned about where our country would be led.
It's very difficult. We're praying for a miracle. We're hoping something will happen and Bernie will get the ball.
If he doesn't, though, does that keep you away from the polls?
No, I'm afraid not, but I can't tell you who I'll vote for. I don't like either one of them.
We're headed we're headed in the right direction for the past 8 years. Thank God for Barack Obama. He got us out of that 2008 thing. And if the clown gets in office, God knows what would happen.
Who's the clown?
The snake oil salesman.
Does he have a name?
Oh, yeah, Trump.
Not too favorable of either of the two. But if I had to choose, it would more than likely be Hillary, just because of some of her viewpoints I share in part with her and my fellow Democrats. I think that she has a lot of experience in politics, her husband in her corner as well as other good advisors, and she's had the experience needed to gear us in the right direction. Trump is a little bit of a I don't really know what I'm going to get. 1 minute he's one way, the next minute he's another way. He says things, but what I can say about him that I admire is he's going to be Donald Trump in the White House or out of the White House. But we won't know until we get to November. Hopefully the best candidate will win.